Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Aditya Rapsan. So now today we are gonna make this wonderful navigation bar and login button. If we click the login button, it's come the login form and that we made the last video. So now I'm making this nav bar and adding login button. So without wasting time, let's start it. So we also have wonderful text effects in the nav bar and hover effect in the button. So as you can see, I also have a cross button in the login from that. If we click on this, that has gone completely. So let's start, and I added into that in a section. Then I add h2, that is logging. Then I add nav.navigation class navigation. After giving that in there, I use a tags for 4 times, and in link here was nothing because I am making a demo, and I gave the name home projects blog and about. Then I add a btn, which class was login btn. Then I add to text is logging. After done this, I used a icon that I will cut it, a cross icon. I gave a class which is close. After done this, I go in the css. Then I target the close icon. After targeting that, I gave the position will absolute, and get height to it 60 pixels, and width also be 70 pixels. After giving height and width, I use top to -3 pixels and right to -2 pixels, and it's come in the right top. Then I give background to black and color is white. After giving that, I use border radius for 10 pixels, and now it's becoming a shape. I also down the right up to 7%. So after done this, I use cursor pointer, that if we click on there, hover in this, it will point cursor. Then I copy it and I will add hover effect on this. Then I add hover. After this, I went to the JavaScript. Then I target the close with document.qd selector. Then I copy these links and add event listener to the close icons. Okay, after done this, first of all, I dot style container dot style dot display is equal to, I gave none. So if we click on this, as you can see right side, it has gone. So after done this, I will target the .nav bar. Then I will target its display will be flex, and justify content will be space between, that it's come on the right side, and logo will be in the right side. After done this, I will target the h2, which color will be white. After giving the color, font weight will be 600, that's become bold, and font size will be 2.8 em, which is too large. For logo, I am using this logo text. You also can use your logo. Then margin left will be 10 pixels, and margin 10 and top will be also 10 pixels. After done this, I will target the navigation class. Then its margin left will be 10 pixels, and after that margin top also will be 20 pixels. That's come kinda bottom from top. Then I will target the login btn, which is login btn, and its height will be 40 pixel and width will be 100 pixels. After this, background color will be linear gradient. I will use that 45° and RGB, which is green and blue, and border will be none. After done this, border radius will be 7 pixel and font size will be 1.2 em, and color will be white. So I should change this, and border background to transparent, and border to 2 pixels solid white. That looks good, and cursor pointer. So and I also should down the font size to 1.33 em, and font weight is to 600. Then if you hover the button, the background color will be white, and I will RGB that comes kinda deep white. After done this, I also use border RGBR, that's the same color will be that I gave in the color. So as you can see, it's become kind of dark when you hover this, so it's so interesting. After this, I will target the navigation that its color will be white and margin left will be 30 pixels. And after making this, and I also use logging button in there, it will be its margin, sorry, its logging button, its margin left will be 30 pixel, that's it's 30 pixel wider from there. I should use 40 pixel is good for me. Then text decoration will be none, and font size will be 1.3 em, and font weight will be 5900. After done this, I'll target this, then I will add after, and after in there content will be nothing. Yes, first of all position will be absolute and content will be blank, then height will be 3 pixels and width will be 100%. So and background will be white, as you can see on this. And I should give in their position relatives, and their left will be 0 and top will be 27 pixel, after 8 pixel. After this, if we hover this, the after will be and transition from will be excel 0. Then I will copy it, and in hover after it will be scale 1. If we click on this, it's come like, and transition will be transform 0.7 second is good for me. Then border radius will be 7 pixels of after, then it's come from button and go, I should give right to left, it's come. Then I will use transform origin to right, and in hover A I will use transform origin to left, and in also, so it's come from right and go with as you can see on the right sides. I will also copy the transition. After copying that, your navbar is completely right, and in their container I will use transform is equal to scale 0. Then I target the login btn. If we click that, the form will come. So first of all, in JavaScript I am targeting the login btn, then I'll copy a link of there, then I use a login btn, and I also use a class which will be show. The class name will be show. So if we click on the logging, I am showing you. So if we click on the logging, the container gets a class. So I also copy this line and paste the close tag. That's if we click that, the close will be remove show. So as you can see, I am giving you a demo that okay, I will comment down. So if we click on the logging, the container show ups, and if we click on the cross, so it's gone. So now it's good, and so we will head to our CSS, and I will uncomment it. After to go there, I will target dot container dot show, which we just gave from JavaScript. After done this, we will give transform, it will be a scale 1. So if we click on the login, it's gone, and if you click on the close, it's again gone, it's come. So I will also transition 0.4 second is in out. So if you click hover on this, it's come is in out. So done this, I should change the background color of my background. So I gave a very nice, so I should change the navbar color is to, it will must be white. It's white is always looks good, and everything's color will be white. And I also used text shadow from R8, it's red. I copy the text shadow and paste it hover after. Sorry, it will be box shadow, cause it's not text, it's just a box. So if we hover this, it's just become reds outside, it's a shadow. So I should give it to pink. It's pink, kind of pink is good for me. Okay, you can use any colors of you want. So as you can see, if we hover that, I also use everywhere the box shadow, and this 1 pixel, 0 pixel, and 10 pixels of radius. So I will also use it in H2. its text shadow will be this. And so as you can see, I also use it in the btn login. So I'll copy the line again, and its box shadow will be the same, and it will be 40 pixel is too high for me, so I will use 6 pixels. It's kind of good. And so as you can see, I also use now come in. So if we click, so guys, we are done with our HTML CSS and JavaScript. We in this video we add a logo where you can use your logo, and navigation with your hover effect, and a login btn. If we click on this, the come login, and close button. If we click on this, it's come close, and the form will make it in the last video. So this was my today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, don't forget to like, and comment me below what I can make in the next. So if you enjoyed video, thanks for hearing my video. So thank you, goodbye.